So, hello once again. I welcome you all to my channel, which is Piyush Srivastav, and basically, this will be a channel which is useful for all the people who are looking for interview basics and soft skills. And this is my series of question and answers, and this would be my third video in this series. So today we would be looking at a very pertinent question that is asked in many interviews, which is called as "What are your weaknesses?" Now, this question is simple to see, but actually, if you have not analyzed your personality, if you have not given it a thought, it becomes a havoc. It becomes a problem area. So, how can we actually go about looking at this particular question and answering it in the best possible manner? Let's see. So, in my last video, before I begin, in my last video, what we discussed, the second video, the first thing we did was we talked about the strengths part, where I told you that, two or three strengths you should keep, which are unique to your personality, how you can properly justify that strength with any of your past experiences in the STAR format or in the PAR format, which is situation, task, action, result, or performance, action, result. And then I also gave you a list of strengths and how you can utilize them in your interview responses. So this was what we did in the last video. And so today let's move over to what are your weaknesses. Okay. So what are your weaknesses? The first point that you need to understand is, the interviewer, when they are asking this question, is looking for a candidate with self analytical approach. Whether you are able to analyze your own self in the best manner, and you have you have a concern for your weakness and how you are basically improving on that. And the second point, very important, is how you are overcoming your weakness. In fact, what you need to understand, and you have to begin your preparation by understanding one or two weaknesses which should be honestly mentioned. Do not try to copy from other people, because what happens is when you copy from someone else, you cannot justify your weaknesses and how you are overcoming them. Each person is a unique person. So you have a unique set of problem, which is a weakness, and how you are overcoming that is what we are looking at. All right. So this was one of the things. So the next thing is how you are working on your weaknesses by mentioning the process. So if you have a problem of not able to concentrate properly, so maybe you are meditating. If you cannot sleep in that manner, so you are able to have proper diet and all those things to overcome that particular process. If art of delegation is what you are missing in your life, then you are understanding the leadership principles and employing them in day-to-day concern. In fact, in many of my classes, what I say is, it's never say that it's a weakness. It's basically your areas of concern. And why it's area of concern? Because you are able to then justify your areas of concern and work towards the progress, right? So let's move forward. So, how to begin it? Also, begin by writing down weaknesses, all the weakness in the world that comes in the way of achievement of. In fact, that is a weakness, because you are not able to achieve a particular thing for any particular reason. You have that reason, and that is a weakness. That is your weak point. So write down all the things. Don't need to show it to anyone. Don't need to consult. Just have a column and write one, two, three, four, five, six. Whatever weaknesses comes to your mind. You can start your answer with strengths that move over to a weakness. All right. So you have to start your answer when you are looking at a weakness with a particular strength, and then move over to a weakness which is pertinent. It's a good ploy. Don't just jump into it. Okay, I have this weakness. Okay, you can start with, I have basically this skill, but I also lack in this particular area. So you can start off with a skill and then move over to a weakness. Remember to be honest and be genuine also. Don't disguise strength and weakness. This is a common ploy that many of the interviewers will feel that when you are looking at a, you say I'm a perfectionist, so that is my weakness. It's a cliched thing. It's a cliched thing which will take your interviewer away from your personality and say, okay, this might be, he might have rote learned it, or he is not being honest right now, because being a perfectionist is actually a strength. I don't have any hobbies, you can say that, but that is also a strength which is disguised as a weakness, so everybody can make out that you are not being honest. All right. So what are your weaknesses? Let's move over to some of the weaknesses that you can consider, which are mentioned in the next set of slides. All right. So let's look at them one by one. So first weakness that you can actually take into account is your self-criticism. Yeah, you can. It's a good weakness, and it's actually a self-analysis, not criticism. So when you mention the word criticism, the HR might take it as a as a all right. So that's how it is. Second, you can say, lack of knowledge. I would not recommend you to use this particular weakness, but this can also be one of the weaknesses that you can have, lack of knowledge in that particular area. So I am, learning things as I go along. And I think that there needs to be a lot of learning that needs to be done. So I think right now it might be a bit weakness. Then you can justify. Some people have fear of public speaking also. Some do not take criticism very very lightly, so they are very strongly opinionated towards it. So that is also one of the weaknesses. uh, Anxious or restless, yeah, that is a weakness for which I have an example, so that's the reason I have highlighted that. So some people are very anxious, restless, and it's a common phenomenon not to be able to concentrate properly or something. So we will look at the answer to this particular weakness and how you can use that. Inability to delegate the work, delegate the task to people, you know. So this also is a weakness in many people. Lack of confidence, yes, a general weakness, and how you are overcoming your confidence by doing more public speaking, or by taking voluntary task, you know getting your help from your faculty members, or if you are in job, then you are able to get your help from the managers also. Sometimes you are not able to decide. So some of the weaknesses, we have mentioned that. Let's go back to this. So these are the 1 2 3 4 5 8 I have mentioned. Okay, let's look at an example now. Okay, so let's see the template for making your answer. So you have, in here we have mentioned, we can begin by saying that in situations where I have to finish my task in the given time. So what you are mentioning here, that you are mentioning the situation first as a reference point for your weakness. You are not saying this is my weakness, but you are saying that this is a reference point for my weakness. So that A is that part. Second, I tend to, when that situation comes, what do I do? So I tend to, for example, do my work quickly and with efficiency. So you are just building up your weakness part here. This has made me appear anxious or restless for some people. Okay, this has made me appear anxious or restless for some. So now you are mentioning that why you are actually having that particular weakness, because of a situation that occurs. Now I have learned to be, so then you give the solution. So what do you give the solution? Now I have learned to be conscious of this issue, uh, and approach my task in a calm manner. So D part would be in a calm manner. So you are giving a solution that I was restless, but now I have turned into a bit calmer personality. In fact, now I uh, am able to maintain a balance between uh, my speed and accuracy, and that has made me more calmer within. So you are now giving the solution here. So when you give the solution, you are now able to say that I am working on that problem which I had. And then at the last, this has resulted in you are giving a successful result, because you have graduated from a person with that weakness, and now you are able to get that weakness out of the system, or you are working on it. Okay, so just for a reference point, I have mentioned these lines here. You may read it, for the A part, we have I have to finish my task in time. For the B part, do my work quickly and efficiency. C, anxiety, anxiousness or restlessness was harm. So all these things are mentioned here to complete the template. Likewise, you can also make a template like that for your weaknesses. All right. So through this answer, what we see is that a particular candidate showcase his or weakness of being anxious or restless with an ability to improve, okay, on that particular front. So I hope that now you are able to make your own answers to this question and practice it in a very thorough manner. Thank you and hope to see you in my next video with another question on working on the interviews. And bye bye then. Thank you.